Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is Wednesday, November 22nd, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, this is the day before the all-important Thanksgiving Day holiday, so it is expected to be a lighter volume session. Right now, we have the futures trading up by 1.5 to 25.97 3/4 per contract. All in all, we were up a little bit higher here about an hour ago, and we have started to roll over a bit. So we'll see what today gives us. Yesterday, we had a big rally in the market. Usually the day after a big rally, we get a little bit of a pause day. We could even retrace down a little bit. That would not even be out of the question. So expect a quiet session. But we do have lots of stocks in the news, and let's take a look at the first one here today. It's going to be Salesforce.com. Ticker symbol is CRM. Stock is trading at 107.25. Closed at 108.80. So we are down ticking a little bit here. Again, I'm not seeing really anything negative with Salesforce. Just a little down tick. The stock does have a lot of support intraday around 106.20. Keep that on the radar today if it does sell off down to that level. So 106.20 will be an intraday support level. Again, we'll be looking at this one once the opening bell rings at 9:30 in the morning. If you have not done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We had more winners in the book yesterday, and we're going to look to keep it going right into the end of the year. So again, come on over, take that 7-day free trial. You can trade right along with us. Next up, we're going to take a look here at GES Jeans, or GES Inc. as it's called now. What you're going to see here is stock is getting hit today, trading at $15.90. They reported earnings yesterday. Stock closed yesterday at $17.95, so this is a good little haircut. It did trade almost down to the $14.50 level yesterday after the close, but it has come back a bit. So we'll see how it plays out today. Again, I'm not seeing anything that I love. If the stock did sell off, I'd have to look at the $11.40 level. That would interest me on the long side. But until then, there's really not a whole lot I'm looking to do here with GES. We'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. We'll see how it plays out, and we'll see if it gives us any setups on the charts. Until then, just sit tight. We'll see where it goes. Next up, we want to take a look at GameStop. Ticker symbol is GME. Stock right now is trading at $18.01. It closed at $16.73 yesterday at the closing bell. So this is a good little move for GameStop. When I look at the stock right now, I have to think it probably is a little bit long in the tooth here, but there are a lot of shorts in here, so this can get a little bit of a squeeze. So if you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, we'll re-examine it in the intraday stock chat room at 9:30. We'll see how it plays out and if it gives us any setups. There's not a lot I would do with it just yet. Let's take a look at Hewlett-Packard Enterprises. Ticker symbol is HPE. Stock is trading at $13.26. Closed at $14.12. This is a good little haircut. The only level I'm seeing that really even strikes me with the stock as a buy level would be around $11.60. If it gets there, I think it might be worth a shot. Until then, really I'm not looking to do anything with it. Let's take a look at HP, which is ticker symbol HPQ. They reported earnings as well. These two companies split apart. This is trading at $21.16, down from $22.46. So this is a good little haircut. There seems to be some support around the gap window on the daily chart. I'm going to say around 2040, and let me just show you what I'm looking at. Take a look here. You're going to notice gap is right there. Right now, with the stock trading down, it very well could get there. So right around 2035, 2040, there should be some short-term support for HPQ today. And again, that right now trading at 21.16, so it does have a little bit further to go. But keep that on the radar today. That could come into play. Let's take a look at John Deere, ticker symbol DE. Stock right now is trading at $145.80. This closed at $139.23. So this is a pretty good pop for John Deere. It is very long in the tooth. And what I mean by that is, if you take a look at a monthly chart, this is what we call a parabolic move. So again, strong move today and a good one. But again, it's a little bit too high on the chart for me. If you own it, trail your stop loss. If you don't own it, I would not be a buyer up here at these levels. Let's take a look at Copart. CPRT is a ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at $39. There's not a lot of volume behind the move, but this is still a pretty strong uptick. So again, respect it. I think around $40 though, it does run into a little bit of what we call a wall of resistance. Not because there's really resistance there, just because it's up so much and extended. So again, I don't think it goes much past 40, but good move for Copart. Here we have a downgrade today. Mellanox, MNK. Mallinckrodt is downgraded today. Stock is trading at 21.39 this morning. Yesterday it traded at 21.39. Right now trading at $21. So we're not going to make too much out of this. This stock has been downtrending. This sector has been really beaten up, and again it continues to look weak on the chart. So again, steer clear of MNK, which is melon crop, and we'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. Shifting gears here a little bit, we do have gold up $3.30 today. Right now it's trading at $1,285 an ounce. If you take a look at the GLD, which is a good ETF to track gold, you'll see that's trading at 122.05, up from the 121.51 close last night. Next up, we want to take a look at crude oil, which is up 97 cents today. Great pop for crude, trading at 57.80 a barrel. Take a look at the USO here, which is good oil ETF. That is trading at 11.54 this morning, up from 11.40. So good little pop there. And again, oil catching a bid ahead of the highly anticipated and highly traveled holiday season here in the U.S. All right, I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. I want to wish everybody a wonderful, wonderful Thanksgiving. If you haven't done so, come on over. Take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You can trade right alongside of us. And again, we've had a great 2017 in the chat room, and we're going to look to keep that going right into the end of the year. With that being said, everybody, have a great day. Happy Thanksgiving, and we'll see you on the charts.